Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services ngayong November 2024. Ayan, so yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Taurus, what's coming to you ngayong December 2024 for Taurus. Okay, Ascendant. This is about yourself, yung sarili mo, your physical self, yung iyong ideologies. So, I think ngayong December, you will focus on self-development, no? So, maraming ways to develop ourselves. Pwedeng physical development, mental development, spiritual development. So, you are going to focus on how you present yourself sa ibang tao. So this is, you're going to improve a lot ngayong December. Okay? You also have Saturn, which is structure. I think mas magiging disciplined ka, no? Yung disiplinang ibibigay mo sa sarili mo will bring so much opportunities in the future. Let's say yung disiplina na yan is para mag-aral. Siyempre, kapag may disiplina ka sa pag-aaral, mas marami kang matututunan, mas marami kang may experience, and eventually, yung mga natutunan mo will open opportunities for you. Maaring marami ring planning for you ngayong December about kung anong gusto mong marating in the future. So, ngayon pa lang December, pinaplano mo na what you really want to achieve pagdating ng 2025. And there are times, no, na parang you feel limited or parang feeling mo may mga nade-delays, may mga delays for you. It is because tinetest yung patience mo ng universe kung gaano mo talaga gusto ang isang bagay. Kasi minsan yung iba pag hindi na yung parang ayaw na maghintay, aalis na hindi nila ipupursue. Kasi it only means, no, it will only show na hindi mo talaga gusto yon. Diba? Let's say, for example, mahaba yung pila nung pagkain na yon, no? O, kung ano man pagkain yon. Tapos, papansin mo, isang oras ka na doon, nakapila ka pa rin. Oo. So, yung iba naiinis na. Kahit iba, 10 minutes pa lang ayaw na. Kasi it only means na hindi talaga nila ganun kagusto yung pagkain na yon. Oo, or meron silang ibang priorities. Oo. Kaya your patience will also dictate what you really want in your life. Okay? You have energy ng Capricorn, achieve. Meron kang achievements. And this makes sense kasi ang ruler ng Capricorn ay si Saturn. So I think for your career, for your business, for your money, marami kang mga siniset na goals ngayong December, and I think ngayon pa lang December, kahit bagong set mo pa lang yan, nakikita mo na agad yung resulta. Nararamdaman mo na agad na this will bring you new opportunities in the future. So let's see what else. You have the Queen of Cups. You have a lot of compassion. You are very creative. I think meron kang mga discovery sa sarili mo or improvement sa sarili mo on how you kung paano ka magtrabaho, kung paano mo ipresenta yung sarili mo. This is also taking care of yourself. Maaring you will do activities like yoga, meditation, kung paano i-release yung negative energies, to ground yourself. Let's see what else. Okay. You have the 5 of Wands and the 3 of Cups. So, 5 of Wands is about competition. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas magiging competitive kayo in a good way, no? I think this is healthy competition naman, lalo na kung may negosyo ka. You feel parang, di ba pag mas maraming competition, parang mas gusto mo, mas nagiging motivated ka na mag-perform, okay? I-improve yung products mo, services mo, company mo, kasi you want to be seen. Gusto mong makita ka, gusto mong mas mag-shine ka. So, use that energy of competition into something positive by improving yourself. Okay? Pagdating naman sa trabaho, may competition din dyan. Maaring sa workplace nyo, maraming candidate for promotion. So, it's now your time to show them na dinideserve mo yung promotion na yon. You have the Three of Cups. So, this is abundance. This is also about celebration. Merong major achievement ka this December na you will have to celebrate with your family, with your friends. Parang certain goal na na-achieve mo. Let's say, nakabili ka ng sasakyan, nakabili ka ng bahay, or na-promote ka sa trabaho. So, those are major events in your life na you're going to celebrate. You also have the Six of Pentacles. This is a very positive flow ng inyong finances, kung ano yung needs mo na po-provide para sa'yo. And andun yung flow talaga na once na magtrabaho ka, makikita mo agad yung resulta ng pinagtrabahuhan mo. Walang stock na energy rito. Okay? You are also taking care of your family by providing support sa kanila. And if in case you need support, your family or friends or loved ones are also there for you. You also have the Eight of Pentacles. So, this is education. Pwedeng ikaw ay mag-aaral, re-research, gagawa ka ng mga actions on your, parang mga action plan mo pagdating sa work mo, kung paano ka pa ma-promote sa susunod na taon. Alam mo yun, na parang pinaplano mo na agad. And also, I see someone na mastering their craft. So, meron kami na master na skill set, may minamaster ka na knowledge na para it will gain you a lot of confidence na alam mo yung ginagawa mo, alam mo yung sinasabi mo, alam mo lahat. Kumbaga. So, don't worry kasi meron tong great results for you. Okay? Meron kang certain achievement. So, money, career, finances, you have the Three of Pentacles. So, growth. This is growth in your career, in your business, no? May expansion rin. So, kung may negosyo ka, may mga bagong product, services, or mas dadami yung mga customers. Pagdating naman sa workplace mo, may mga bago kang projects, meron kang leadership role sa trabaho. This can also mean a new contract. Wow! O diba? May Three of Wands pa. Some of you merong opportunities abroad or merong international trading na kaya mong makipagkalakalan sa ibang bansa. You also have the Six of Wands. Wow! This is definitely success for you, Taurus. You will experience success in your money, in your finances, your business, as long as you will really work hard and focus on improving yourself. Sa love life naman, you have the Nine of Pentacles. So, yung iba single, Daughter of Swords, and Seven of Wands. Okay, for some of you, no, mas leaning towards Taurus na single yung energy nito. Na, yung iba sa inyo, hindi pa kayo ready for a commitment. Mas nagpo-focus kayo sa pag-develop ng sarili ninyo at pag-create or pag-build ng stability sa inyong finances. Okay? Although meron dito nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo romantically, but I don't think na you are ready for it or maaring naghihinay-hinay ka, kinikilala mo muna ang taong to bago ka pumasok sa relationship na yan. But I feel like kung itong taong to ay hindi nakakaintindi sa sitwasyon mo, sa mga goals mo, definitely this connection won't work. Okay? Yung tipong hindi ka naiintindihan sa mga plano mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, na will always demand for your time, kahit alam niya na in the beginning, alam niya na mas priority mo yung career mo. 'Di ba? So, if you are in a relationship, I think nandun kayo sa point na nagpo-focus kayo sa kanya-kanya yung goal sa buhay. Oo. Kahit may relationship na kayo. Escapist, come home to yourself. So, this makes sense, no? Kasi itong energy ng ascendant, which is about yourself. So, you are going to come home to yourself. Yung mga bagay na ginugusto mo para sa sarili mo, pero hindi ka naman nagtitake ng action, Okay? Yung delusions na yan, tinatanggal mo na yan because you are becoming more logical, practical sa mga goals mo. And you want it to happen, that's why you're going to work on it. Gagawa ka ng action. Ayan yung binibigay sa iyo na lesson ni Saturn na it's okay na mangarap tayo, but syempre ang pangarap, mananatiling pangarap kung hindi natin to gagawa ng action. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Good luck.